everyone, this is Madhura Banerjee. Welcome back to Foster Feed. I'm so sorry I couldn't post a video for the past 1 month because, as you know, I'm a medical student and I had my professional exams going on. And to compensate, today I've come up with a very special video because in today's video I have a guest with me who is not just my fellow medico but also an author. Please welcome my dear friend Snata Pal.
First of all, thank you Madhura for inviting me to Foster Feed. It's a pleasure being here.
So Snata, tell us about your writing journey. Like what motivated you and what got you started?
Well, at first I used to write in school for articles and stuff, but after I graduated, I started to write for fun in Wattpad until I was invited to web novel, where I write now.
Tell us something more about web novel.
Well, it's an online platform where multiple aspiring authors, such as me, get to share their own stories, and readers from all across the world can look up their preferred genres and read story according to their taste.
That's wonderful. So how long have you been writing?
I think approximately 8 months.
Okay, so do you use your real name or do you have a pen name?
I have a pen name, it's Silly Milk, kind of.
That's interesting. What's the story behind this name?
Well, I don't really have a proper story. I just wanted to try something funky, and that's the first thing that came to my mind. So yeah, I guess that's it.
Well, it's funky indeed. So what is the process of uploading your stories?
Well, there is this website called Inkstone where we go and publish our story. We create a story and then we have to come up with an appropriate title and good cover for the story and a summary which pertains to the story, and then it's there. Then we have to upload chapter wise in a serialized manner.
Okay, so do you get to choose the genre or do they specify it for you?
No, we can choose it, but it's better if it's relevant to the story.
So what genres do you specialize in?
Well, I think fantasy, because I kind of have a thing for fantasy.
Tell us something more about it.
Well, I have written 3 novels till now, but I'll go with the one I started my journey with. It is a story about a girl. Like, she recently died, but she doesn't know she's dead. When she finds out, she doesn't even know who she is. So she goes on a journey of self-discovery. She tries to find out about her past, who she was, and at the same time she learns how to be a ghost.
Oh, so it's a scary story.
Well, how about you go and read and find out? I'm not going to spoil it for you.
So guys, please visit Web Novel and read Snata's stories there. Tell us how many readers do you have?
Well, for this story I have around 1300 readers, and I'm writing another one currently which has like 1700. Like, it's an ongoing and it has 1700.
That's huge. That's really huge. So do you earn from your stories or?
Yeah, actually I do earn from my stories. It depends on how much money my story makes per month.
And how do you get to know that?
Actually, there is a system where after the first few free chapters, we get to lock our chapters, which means from that point onwards, readers have to pay to unlock it and read it. So that's how a book generates money there.
That is actually great. That is actually great because you get to do what you like to do and simultaneously get paid for it. Lastly, Snata, tell us one thing. MBBS is itself a very, very tough course. So amidst attending lectures, clinics, tuitions, how do you manage to maintain your writing career as well?
Well, just like you said, MBBS is very difficult with all this, packed schedule we have. But when you love something, you find a way for it.
Absolutely.
And writing is my escape. Like, when I'm done with studies and everything, it frustrates me, and it has very much these past few days thanks to the exams. And so it works as an escape. I just want to forget all about it and delve into my own stories. So yeah, that's how I find out about it.
That's great. That's great.
What about you? You are here, you are just, you are an MBA student just like me, and here you are making videos. How do you find time for it?
Actually, I think the same goes for me. Books are my escape too because, I love reading books and I wanted to share my love for books with all my audience and hope I'm doing justice to all my videos. So that's it. Thank you for coming on Foster Feet, after especially managing this time after the hectic MB schedule that we had right now. Guys, please follow Snata on all her social media accounts, the links to which will be given in the description box below. Make sure to check it out. Also, the link to her story in web novel will be given in the description box. Please visit web novel and make sure to check it out.
Also, don't forget to like, share, subscribe and ring the bell button because come on, you don't want to miss such awesome videos in the future.
Bye.
Bye.